Hello. Hey there, Profitable PR Pros. What is up? I'm Jen Burson. I'm the founder of Generation PR, now in our 15th year of business, which I cannot believe. 15 years running my PR agency here in Los Angeles. And I'm also the founder of the Profitable PR Pros community that you are a part of. Thank you so much for being here for another episode of Profitable PR Pros TV. Yes, that's what we're calling this. I'm excited to kind of riff on today's topic, which is going to be really geared towards helping you understand how you can stay on top of the evolving trends, changing landscape of our industry, right? I never want you to be caught unprepared and by surprise. I think those of us who stick around and have longevity, like 15 years in the business, have been able to watch trends, get ahead of trends, predict what's coming, or at least be on the early end of what is happening and changing in our industry. So we're going to talk all about that because my goal for you is to create a business that's going to be here in the long run. A business that, like I've had mine for, a decade and a half, one that will be here for you, sustain you, earn you great income, be something that in 15 years you still love doing, right? Like I've been representing brands in my various niches for this entire time I've been running my business, and I still love my clients, still love the work that I do. And that's what I'm here to teach you, is creating a business that will sustain so that you can have consistent, predictable, recurring revenue and be a leader in your field, right? Like if you are on top of the evolving landscape and trends that are changing and adjust your services and support your clients accordingly, you are going to be the winner. So we know that our industry, the PR industry, has been changing so fast over the years. I mean, have you noticed? Right? Like I've been in this 15 years, like I said, and when I started, print magazines were everything. We all lived and died by print magazines, long lead publications. That's what every single person wanted. That's what people came to us for, print. Print was king or queen. And the rise of social media and the sort of I don't want to say collapse, but the folding into itself of print, like we all know some publications are folding or getting acquired and becoming part of other publications. It's changing the way that people consume media. And so what we started to do was really pay attention to what clients are asking us, right? Like you'll notice that right now, there's kind of this overall increase in just the general confusion and chaos that's happening with clients, with agencies. Like, what services are they offering? What services do clients want to need? And I've mentioned this before. I mentioned it in my program. Clients don't always know. Here's the cat. He thinks I'm talking to him. Here he is, jumping on the desk. Clients don't always know what they need. Somebody may mention to them nano influencers at a party, and you're like, that's not what you need, right? So it's really about listening to why they're asking or what things are commonly getting asked, and you need to start paying attention to those things. So, you got to get real. Like what your clients need from you is leadership. They need to navigate this chaos, this kind of turbulent environment with our industry. They need a leader, somebody who has confidence in their expertise to be able to make recommendations, to maybe give them an unpopular opinion that goes against what they're asking for, but standing firm in knowing as the expert what is actually the right approach for them. And so you might be kind of thinking, what do you do to protect your agency and your revenue? That's what it's all about. If you're going to survive in this ever-changing landscape, it's all about protecting your revenue. So to protect your revenue this year and beyond, right? That's what we're looking to do. So the biggest thing that you can do right now is create systems and ensure that you have systems in your business so that you can keep those clients coming. You have a solid pipeline of consistent client leads, recurring retainer revenue, a solid foundation of happy clients, and knowing where your next client is coming from and not stressing about that. So, you want to have these results in this changing landscape, but you've also got to put, food on the table. It's about cash flow in your agency and getting to that place where you are charging at a minimum, let's say $3,000 up to $5,000 a month. If that sounds really like a reach for you, know that you can ask for that rate. And there are companies that, know that it's a minimum of that or higher. And so getting into that mindset to know that you're providing service that's worth that.